Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel JS Lab. In today's video, we are going to discuss about the data visualization in R programming, and we'll be focusing on one of the most powerful package for creating good visuals, good plots, good graphs, publishable graphs, etc. using the package ggplot2. Whether you're a beginner or looking to brush up your skills, you continue watching this video. I'll explain it with an example, and this video will be followed by another video where we'll discuss more examples which can be done using ggplot2. Before we jump into the code, let's quickly talk about the ggplot2. So it's an amazing data visualization package in R that follows the grammar of graphics approach. This means you can build complex visualizations by layering different components like data, aesthetics, and geometry. So let's get started by setting up the environment. To use the ggplot2, you first need to install and load the package. So you can use install.packages ggplot2 to install the package into the R. Next, we need to load the library using library ggplot2. So you can run it, load the ggplot. Next, we will load our data set. So we will use the iris data set in R for this video. So we load the data set. Okay. We'll see what are the variables. It's a data set of sepal length, width, and petal width and length, and it is classified based on various species. So we'll see how you can apply ggplot to create good data visualization for this data set. So let's start with the basic scatter plot. So we can create a scatter plot using this function. So we have the ggplot, that is the function, and these are the arguments, where first you introduce the data. The data is the iris data set, and you need to apply the aesthetics, which is, so the x is the sepal length and y is the sepal width along with the geometric points. So you need to provide the geometry as well. So we'll run this. Yeah, so you got a plot. We'll zoom it. Okay, so you got sepal length on x-axis and sepal width on y-axis, and the scatter plot based on the data available. Of course, we don't want our plot to look plain, so let's introduce the title to the x and y-axis, also title to a plot. So using this, you can do that. So you can look at this function, so where you put the x and y as previous and the geometric point, and using the labs function you can label it. So we give the title, we give the x and y title, and also the theme. So the theme, it customizes the appearance of the plot elements. So its arguments are mostly like plot.title, axis.title, legend.title. So you can put legends as well. So we'll run this program. So one run this function. So yes, we'll zoom it out. Okay, now it has been modified. We give an x title, y title, and also the title for the plot. So with labs and theme function, we have transformed the plot's appearance, but there are even more things that you can do. So what if you need to compare the data across the categories, or for that you can use the faceting. So faceting will be helpful. So it's split your plot into multiple facets based on the categorical variable. So as you have seen in the data set, this length and width are separated based on various species. So here what we are going to do is the same data we modified. So we have the first form where the data, second form what are the labels, and we have added a faceting argument where it is based on the species. So we'll see what happens to the plot. Yeah, now See here, the sepal length and sepal width are categorized based on various species, three species here. So these are the scatter plot for the first category, second category, and the third category. So that is achieved using the faceting. We have added layers and geometries to the plot. So what if you need to add different layers to the plot? For so the next layer we can say example as error bar. So you can use the error bar here. See, jump error bar. So this is the error bar. So this point 1 and point 1, you can adjust this one. You can adjust these two values. So adjust the value for the error range. So you can select the error range, and here I put this point 1. We can modify the plot again. If I run, see, I added the error bar. So again I modified sepal width as y and sepal length on the x-axis, and these are the error bar applied for each of the points. So you know what is error bar. So if you don't know about error bar, it's related to statistics. You can watch a different video about the error bars. So this is how you can add error bars to your plots. So adding more and more layers. What if you need to change the color? To change the color, see, I added color equal species. So based on the species, the color has been added. So and modified the function. Let's see how it looks like. See now the color has also been added. You can see the three different categories in three different colors. Also the legend, there's a legend added to this. So which color represents which species. We started from a simple scatter plot. Then we added layer by layer the error bar, categorical comparison, and the color. This is an example of how ggplot2 can be used for creating good visualization in R. So once you confirmed your plot, you can save it or export it for your own use, either for some presentation or for some publication. So you can use the gg save for exporting it to an image or to a plot, to a PDF. So we have covered just the introduction to ggplot2. So I encourage you to explore further. And in the coming video, I'll explain some more examples or more complex visualization that can be done using the ggplot. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe my video. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section. So until next time, bye.